guys, it's Ari. How are you all doing today? The purpose of today's short is to show you how to get rid of this infinite mirror. I'm sure you all are experiencing it now, and that's why you are here, because you want to know how to get rid of this. And like me, you've probably watched a gazillion videos all the way through thinking this guy's going to show me how to get rid of it, or this gal. And if it's like me, you get to the very end of the video and you're frustrated as all get out because they didn't show you. It's like they take it for granted that we know everything. They forget that there are YouTube newbies. That's what we are, YouTube newbies. And that's what the whole purpose of my channel is. I want to help people like me, people like you, overcome the little intricacies of running a YouTube channel. And you can't find the answers on the bigger channels because they've been doing it for so long they have forgotten that there are newbies out there. Okay, so now that we know where I'm going, today's show is how to get rid of this mirror. And there are two ways. The first way is if you have two monitors. Most of us don't have two monitors. I can't afford it, and I don't have the space for it, and multiple other people are in the same boat. But if you do have two monitors, if you're a gamer and you have two monitors, see the white bar up here? Just click it, grab it, and drag it to your second monitor, and you'll be all set. And you'll be able to record your screen, because that's what we're here for. We want to record the screen. So if you don't have two monitors, how do you take care of it? How do you record your screen? That's really simple. Go to the white bar up here. You see the minimize button? Click it. Woohoo! Just like that, it disappears. But down here you see the red button on the OBS system. It's still recording. But we get to see my screen. And all these beautiful ladies right here, these beautiful avatars, I have so much to thank them for, because I began my journey looking to see how to make a character. And I stumbled across, I believe it was her video. I stumbled across one of her videos. Or it might have been one of her videos. And they started me on the journey, and I want to thank them. Thank you, Virtual Reality Show, and thank you, Fofament, because you helped me so much in my journey. And I've only been at it for 2 weeks, but you helped me find V-Roid, you helped me find V-Magic Mirror, and I was able to create this avatar. So, today's short was on how to get rid of your multiple screens, your mirrors. So all you do is click that button. That's simple. And like I said, all the bigger YouTubers that are doing tutorials are just assuming we know, I guess. But I'm a newbie, you're a newbie, and I don't know. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please subscribe and like, and join me tomorrow as I bring you another short and help you in your journey to YouTube success. Love you guys. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.